Hi guys, this is Daryl Barba again and welcome back to Million Peso Listing. And today, I am so excited na itour sa inyo itong 2-bedroom unit because this is the first time na itutour namin kayo dito sa Uptown Bonifacio. Tara! Hi guys, this is Daryl Barba again and welcome back to Million Peso Listing. And today, samahan nyo kung itour kayo dito sa ating 2-bedroom unit. Take note, this unit is a 2-bedroom unit na 75 square meter with total of 2 bedrooms plus maid's room and total of 2 toilet and bath. Tara! This is also your big balcony. Sobrang ganda ng unit na to, lalo na pag nandito ka sa balcony because you have a very great view of a BGC and Uptown. On your kitchen, you have your own space kung saan makakapagluto ka, you have your privacy on cooking. And the good thing about this kitchen, meron na ditong daan papunta mismo sa maid's room or utility room. Tara. So, ditong maid's room natin, may sarili ng toilet and bath. And the good thing about this one, if you want, you can make this as your laundry area. So now that we are entering our first bedroom, makikita nyo, meron tayo dito common toilet and bath. Tara. So entering your first bedroom, ito siya. Take note, this is a semi-furnished unit. What you see here is what you get on the actual turnover. Nagustuhan ko pa sa unit na to, no? So makikita mo, pagdating dito sa living area, ceramic tiles. Then pag pumapasok ko sa bedroom, nagiging ceramic wood planks. You have here a panoramic view of Uptown. And that's it for our vlog today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more or you like to schedule a viewing, contact us for more details. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Yun lang po. See you on the next vlog.